Hey, hello, Monica. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to provide again some feedback through Screencast-O-Matic on your lesson outline, and I really like using this tool, and I think my students like getting feedback in this way. And not that I can do this every time. It does take a little bit of time to process and upload the videos, but actually, compared to providing text feedback, it's really not that much different, I've found, as I've started doing this. So I hope you'll give it a try. I think the real benefit to providing video feedback in this way is that you can point to areas of student submissions, whether they be papers, in this case, the lesson outline, as you're talking. So calling out areas in the work that students may need to address or rewrite, etc., I think is pretty handy. And the added benefit is that I think it humanizes the course. You get to hear, or your students get to hear your voice. They get to know that there is a person on the other end of the screen who is providing that personalized feedback just to them. And I think that's something that can be missing in a lot of online courses. So I hope that you'll use Screencast-O-Matic or other screencasting tools. You know, there is a tool built into Canvas over here. I'm in the speed grader mode of the grading area of Canvas, but if you click on the little media comment icon right there, you can actually provide audio comments, but you can also provide video or a webcam view. They can see your face in that way. The screencast is great because, again, you can walk through the student's work. So anyway, enough about screencasting and this tool. Thank you for your work on the lesson outline. Looks like you have really nice, clearly defined outcomes here. You're having you have a variety of resources that students will access and sort of learn the material. So you've got videos, you've got looks like parts readings from the textbook. You have PowerPoint slides, and I'm not sure if those are slides that you're providing voiceover narration to. Again, that can add your own voice, your own expertise, maybe some of your own insights if you did choose to use PowerPoints with voiceover narration, which I know a lot of faculty do. And then you're having them do some module exercises. So really good resources here. I think the more we can layer our resources as you've done, providing a lot of different ways that students can interact with the content, I think it can be more engaging or make it a more engaging experience. And then again, through the engagement piece, just kind of mirroring what you have in the resources, students are interacting with the content through video and text, but they're also interacting with each other through discussion. So again, really nice job of layering those components to create that engagement in your class. And then finally, you're assessing them through these various forms, through the discussion, through a quiz, and then the personal learning journal. That's a fabulous tool, and one that I actually I should use more myself. I know when I was going through my online master's program, we actually had a Google Doc for just weekly journal reflections about online learning. And I learned so much through that process and reflecting on my own learning about online teaching. And it was interesting to go back after the class and go back to the very beginning where I started to see how I had learned along the way. And I think that journals and reflections are really, really valuable tools. So I'm glad to see that you're using it here. But you have a really solid foundation for your demo course lesson, and I look forward to seeing this kind of develop in your demo course. Don't feel like you're locked into this. If you feel like you need to tweak, remove things, add things, I'm not going to be grading your demo course lesson based on what you have here, so don't feel like you have to follow everything to a T. You can adjust as well. But thanks again for your work, and again, I look forward to seeing this develop in your demo course.